Hi, welcome to the Mathemagic channel. Today we solve this power equation. Let's go. So the first thing to notice here is we have 5 groups of 5. So we can say that we have 5 times 5 to the power x is equal to 2. And since these are multiplied, I can move the 5 to the right hand side, and that's going to be 5 to the power x is equal to 2 over 5. Now, when we have a power equation, typically we use logarithms. So we're going to use this law here. Ln of a to the power b equals b ln a. So ln is natural log, and it allows us to drop the power in front so that we can solve the power equation that we have here. So we're going to say ln of both sides. So ln of 5 to the power x equals ln of 2 over 5. And we can drop the x in front and say x ln 5 equals ln of 2 over 5. Now let's remember that ln 5 is an actual value. So what we can do is we can say x is equal to ln of 2/5 divided by ln of 5. So this is going to give us a numerical answer, and it's a good place to stop for this question. Plugging ln of 0.4 divided by ln of 5 into our calculator, as 2/5 is the same as 0.4, we get negative 0.569. So perhaps we can say here negative 0.57. And so to answer this question here, x is approximately equal to negative 0.57. And so this is fabulous. Well done if you've managed to do this question properly. Another very short Math Olympiad question. Leave us a comment, drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.